Crafty Caboodle. Let's get crafty today.
Caboodle fans, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy bow that anybody can do. And all that you need is ribbon. All right, you guys, let's make a bow. Let's pick some ribbon out. I have this Christmassy one with red and green. All right, I'm just gonna cut a big chunk of it. Now that you have your ribbon, you wanna grab it in your hand, leave this much out and pinch it right here so you have a really good grip. Now you wanna wrap it around two of your fingers and then in front of your third. Okay, now what you wanna do is you wanna go into this hole right here in between your two fingers, and you want to go ahead and slip that through so it looks like this. Now with this end, go ahead and tighten it, not too tight though, and you want to go where your thumb is right here, like that, and then you want to go through this hole. Pull it through. All right, so on this side, go ahead and tighten it as much as you want. Go ahead, and I have wire in my ribbon, so the bows look so cute. Go ahead and kind of work at it, make it look really nice. So the ends, just personal preference how long you want them, but I do like to cut them at an angle. And then do the same thing on this side. And there you have your really cute bow. You can go ahead and put it on a gift. I hope you enjoyed this DIY bow. This was super easy to make. Anybody can do it. I hope I helped some of you out. And until next time, Merry Christmas.